No. Oh, there he is. Oh. Don't scare
guys,
me.
yesterday,
Ow.
while we were at camera yesterday, we were able to build our house over there. Matthew,
I hit the ground too hard.
Matthew, you can talk, right?
I know.
Alright.
Okay, this episode, everyone find food. Because we need food, we're almost gonna die.
Okay, so let's see. I need mushroom.
We're going over here.
Is this mushroom? Okay.
Okay, I'm gathering the mushrooms. Ooh! I found one of mushrooms. Yes, I found one of mushrooms. Exactly, you collect mushrooms. No.
You took my idea, you snot. I don't know what to grab. Oh, sheep. Come here, buddy.
Sheep doesn't drop food.
Damn.
One drops wool.
I can't grab a sword.
Matthew, no! Don't cheat!
Need a cow. Cow, where
Matthew, do not cheat.
where at, Mr. Cow? Come out.
Minecraft survival. Oh, guys, in the comments below, comment what mods you guys want us to use in the survival world. But it has to be Minecraft Pocket Edition mods. So I'll give you the link in the description for Minecraft Pocket Edition mods. It's actually really
Hey, I
good.
found a cave.
Oh, cool. Guys.
That has coal.
Chocolate, I'm talking right now. Please,
Sorry.
don't be rude. Okay.
Sorry.
You actually just have to go on YouTube, type in Minecraft Pocket Edition mods, look at the videos, and comment. Put the comments down below which ones you want us to use, and we might pick a few of them. So, okay, I'm gathering loads of mushrooms.
I can't find any food.